Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Angana aka Gypsy Lasse and this is my channel. So I'm pretty sure you guys must have guessed by the title itself what this vlog is going to be about. Yes, this is a travel vlog and tomorrow morning I am going to be leaving for Darjeeling, which is about 4 to 5 hours road journey from Gantok, where I'm based right now. So yeah, I'm pretty much excited about this trip. Although I've been to Darjeeling a couple of times before, but this is going to be a very different trip because people say that Darjeeling is a very overrated destination. I'm going to show you why in this video. So yeah, let's get started. So before any trip, there's always this one person who is always so laid back about packing and stuff. I'm one of them and I still need to pack my stuff. I haven't packed yet. So yeah, let's go and pack my stuff, and after that we'll go to Darjeeling tomorrow early in the morning. We're gonna leave. So yeah, let's not waste time. Let's go. I'm done with my packing and now it's time for me to crash. It's 11:30 p.m. already. I'm running late for sleep. Yeah, I'm gonna sleep. I'm gonna see you guys early in the morning tomorrow. Until then, good night. We've got a long day tomorrow. Wake up. Gee, wake up. Okay. We have to go. Yeah, okay. Thank you. Alright, so welcome guys to Darjeeling, also known as the Queen of Hills. I reached a while ago and I had my breakfast, and currently I'm staying at my friend's Airbnb. I'll be showing you the full tour of this Airbnb. It's really pretty. So earlier in our school days we used to come here and chill all the time, but now it's converted into an Airbnb. I'm going to be linked URL also on my description box so that you guys can have a look and stay if you want to stay. So for now I just want to show you the clips of this Airbnb. It's really pretty, it's really cozy, and yeah, let's go. So this is the first room that we have. As we enter from the door, you have this room adjacent to the hall, and this is the living room area. And yes, these are the slippers. I'm glad she has slippers because I did not get a slipper for myself. There you go. So yeah, this is the living room, and yeah, the view from here is pretty awesome. As you can see, that's Darjeeling town, and yeah, there's a little bit of detailing over here. Kitchen area, it's pretty much beautiful, and the best part about this kitchen area is this small dining area where you can just sit and chill and walk and enjoy the view at the same time. But also you have to follow the rules, protocols. Yeah, so there's one more room out here. Hi, they are my friends. Say hi. Hi. She's Diksha. She's the host of this place, and oh my god, I don't want to show her in my vlog. This is Shrishti and this is Diksha, and yeah, this is the view from the room. And yeah guys, let's see what today has in store for us. Yeah, that's it. We're just chilling right now because we left such in hurry in the morning. We left around 6, we reached at 10. We're gonna be resting now, and After some time we'll be leaving for the main town, and yeah, I'll be showing you Darjeeling. Till then, enjoy the cinematics of this place. Here in 1, 2 and... Hi guys, so we reached at this restaurant known as the Kathmandu Kitchen to eat a meal. I'm gonna eat veg meal, she's gonna eat veg meal too, and she will be eating egg meal, which is apparently not veg. So, as soon as we stepped into the town, everything felt so magical. And time, it just slowed down. Welcome to Darjeeling, world's nicest place.
After 2 steps, I lost my balance. And you know, that's when the colors started to change.
Hey guys, what's up? So what you can see behind me is the beautiful Chaurasta. I mean the backside of Chaurasta. So basically Chaurasta is a place where 4 roads meet. That's why it's known as Chaurasta according to the people here. And it's a place where generally people come and sit and spend their evenings and come here to chill with their friends, and even like there are like other horse riding activities. So yeah, I'm gonna show you few of the things that I've witnessed in Chaurasta, because it's a really beautiful place. It's like main center of Darjeeling. People usually come here to enjoy their evenings. Hi.
Hi. You want me to say something?
Yeah. How do you feel?
I love the vibe. I really love the vibe.
Somewhere then, I started to feel covered in chaos.
Hi guys, so what you can see behind me is the Chaurasta town or bazaar, whatever you can call it. But yeah, this is one of my favorite spots in Darjeeling, and it is so beautiful during the night because of the lights, because of the horses that you can see strolling around, because of the people walking, because of people spending their time in the chairs, and also because of the lit cafes that are around this place. And I would love to spend my evenings every day out here if I were to settle here. And yeah, you'll see more of this place. I'm at this famous cafe in Darjeeling known as the Glenkeys, and I'm eating a bun which my sister bought it for me. It's good. It's my favorite. Kanon, what's the first?
the girls gotta let them know.
Hey guys, good morning. So I'm on my way to the Mahakal temple, which is one of my first location for today. It is a temple where both priest and monk coexist together, and also this temple is famous for its monkeys. The location of this temple lies above Chaurasta. So yeah, let's go. Let's see how this temple is.
Come here and get married. You can come here.
Let's get married out here. What's say? Hi guys, so what you can see behind me is the Mahakal temple, which is the only temple that has both priest and the monk living and coexisting together, which is, I think, a beautiful thing, right? And I'm absolutely loving the vibe of this temple because it's so damn peaceful. And yeah, I'm gonna show you more things. So this is the Buddhist side of the temple, Buddhist part of the temple. Hi guys, so this is our second location for today. We are at Japanese temple, also known as Peace Pagoda, if I'm not wrong. And what is the significance of this temple, I really do not know, but where I'm standing right now is a very beautiful place because it has all the forms of statue related to Buddha, Lord Buddha. So this is one of them. I'll be showing you the rest of the temple statue right now.
Gorilla stomping in a zoo. Check the vocals, animal is getting right. All I need was space, so give me more room. Rain any sun, boy, I copy any tune. Man got some PF in a suit. You've been hungry, that's why I came with a food. And if I got bust to learn any crew. Monday, I'm coming.
Hi guys, so this is a very spontaneous decision that we made to come here at this beautiful location. So this, what you can see behind me and in front of you, is the beautiful tea plantation in Darjeeling known as Chitre. So Darjeeling is mostly famous for its tea plantation. So yeah, if you are in Darjeeling, you have to come here and see the tea growing out here. It's so beautiful. You can even take some tea for yourself, buy tea leaves for yourself and give it to your family, friends, and yeah, give them. Hi guys, so it's my last night in Darjeeling and I'm again in Chaurasta because this is one of my favorite places out here. Although we didn't do much on this trip, we surely visited a lot of places, but we couldn't explore fully. But the experience was very much wholesome. I met my friends, I met new people, I tried new food, I ate a lot of momos, and yeah, Darjeeling is very beautiful guys. You should give it a thought of visiting this place once in your life. Until then, I'll see you next vlog. Bye. Peace.